Good morning everyone. I am Sasmita Mallick from ETC department. Now today I am going to discuss about digital electronics subject and the topic is camera. So what is the meaning of K here? K stands for your Karnaugh. Who is Karnaugh? Karnaugh is the scientist who developed this camera. According to his name, it is known as your K-map. K-map is a pictorial method which is used to represent an Boolean algebra without using any theorem or laws. So, to draw the K-map, we have a formula, or we are using a formula that is 2 to the power number of n. Here, n is the number of variables. Number of variables. N is the number of variables. So, if 2 to the power 1 comes 2, 2 to the power 2 it becomes 4, 2 to the power 3 it becomes 8, 2 to the power 4 it becomes 16. So, this N stands for number of variables. So, now we are going to draw K-map. K-map is nothing but a square box or a rectangular box. Each rectangular box and square box is divided into smaller parts that known as your K-map. And the smallest part of this K-map is known as your cell. Similarly, so now come to know what is the different parts of K-map. K-map have 4 parts, that is 4 parts. One is your cell, another one is your pair, third one is your quad, fourth one is your octet. What are these? So, K-map we have to draw a square box. So, this is a square box. We have to draw this is square box. Each square box is divided into different parts. So, it depends upon the formula to the number of n. Using this formula, we divide this square box or maybe it is a rectangular box into different smaller parts. It is known as your K-map. So, now see the smallest part of the K-map is known as your cell. This is your cell. Cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4 and cell 4. Okay. So, pairing of two cells is known as a pair. That means how pair will form? Pair will form by combining of two cells. So, now here we are taking two variables A, B. This is two variables. So, the smallest cell is known as cell. When we combine two cells, it is known as a pair. It is called as a pair. That means individually it is known as a cell, but when we pair two cells, it is called as a pair. Similarly, quad and octet comes when we are combining 4 variables and 8 variables, like this. Here we are taking 3 variables A, B, C. As for A, it contains 0 and 1. As for B, C, it contains 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So, it is called a quad. When 1, 1, 1. These 4 ones are combined together, it is known as a quad. It stands for a quad. Similarly, when we are taking 0 stands for 0, 1 stands for 001, up to 7 stands for 3 ones. So 0 to 0 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the cell number. So it is 0 cell, 1 cell, 2 cell, 3 cell, 4 cell, 5 cell, 6 cell, 7. So now here one question arises, why this 3 and 7 comes between 5 and 6, 1 and 2? Why? Because as for the decimal number and its binary value, we got to know that 0, 1, 1 stands for your 3. That's why 3 comes between your 1 and 2. Similarly, triple 1 stands for your 7. That comes between 5 and 6. So 3 and 7 comes between 1 and 2 and 5 and 6. This is the reason behind this. So now come to the 4 variable. In 4 variable, you are using the decimal value 0 to 15. So now 4 variables are A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These are the binary value as for the variables A, B and C, D here. Similarly, it is 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is the binary value of the ABCD 4 variable. So how to define the cell number? Similarly, as per this rule, here you have to put the decimal value. This is stand for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is the decimal value and this is the equivalent binary value. As for 4 variable, it contains 0 to 15 value. So it starts from 4, 0, ends at 4, 1. It ends with 4, 1. So this is the process through which we can draw the k or define the cell number. So now rules of k. Rules of k. What are the different rules in k? First rule is no zero is allowed to any cell. Second point, group can be horizontal and vertical, but not diagonal. Groups are as large as possible. As large as possible. Fourth one is overlapping of groups can be done. So these are the different rules through which we can draw the k-map. Now no cell contains 0. That means if we are doing any two variables for whatever may be, that means each cell cannot contain value 0. That means we have to put in cell that is 1. First rule. Similarly, come to the second rule, group can be horizontal or vertical. That means if we can draw any variable k-map, that means we can make the horizontal group, vertical vertical group, but not any diagonal group like A, B, 1, 1, 1. We cannot make this group like this. This is impossible. We cannot group in diagonal, but we can group, making group by horizontally and vertically. Similarly, group as large as possible. That means if it contains 4 values, that means we can create a group taking these 4 values at a time. We can take this 4 one at a time to make a group that is as large as possible. Overlapping of groups can be allowed. That means suppose 4 one are here and 2 ones are present here. We can overlap this group 1. It is suppose group 1 and this is your group 2. Group 1 can be overlapped to your group 2. This is the so now draw and camera. Let's draw and camera. Before that, we have to know SOP and POS. Already in the previous class, I have discussed about SOP and POS. SOP stands for sum of product and POS product of sum. So SOP, in SOP we have to use the algebra like AB plus BC. This is the form of SOP. Similarly, in POS we can write y equal to A plus B POS. Using these two ways, SOP and POS, we can derive the K-map and we have to draw the output of the K-map. So now, example, minimize the Boolean expression using the K-map. So now I am giving an example of 3 variable K-map and minimize that expression and draw the logic list. So here I am taking an example. 3 variable K-map A, B, C is the 3 variables and we are putting 0 and 1 in A and B, C 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now here value is given and 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. These cells we have to put 1. Similarly in 5 we have to put 1. We have to minimize this expression and we have to draw. That means this is the formation of group 1, this is the formation of group 2. So output of group 1 will be A bar. Similarly, group 2 output will be B bar C. So y equal to A bar plus B bar C. So now we have to draw the logic gates. How to draw the logic gates means y equal to A bar plus B bar C. So A, B, C first we have to draw, then not gate we have to use, that is B bar. We have to take B bar and C as an output of AND gate. This is the B bar and C. Another A is given here. Suppose A, we have to take A here. Suppose A is given, then we have to add these two logic gates and will be have to draw and not gate over here A bar. So A bar plus B bar C. This is the output of your 3 variable logic gates. Minimizing the expression and the output will be like this and we have to draw A, B, C 3 variable and